Hey, what's up, guys? We just put up to SG Wraps. My guy that always does my wraps. He always does the letters. Look, check it out. He does the letters. This is personal truck right here. We actually lifted this, put the wheels on there, painted it, power match, everything. That's my boy Ed right there. Check it out.
What's going on, guys?
So tell them what you do, bro. Tell them what you do.
We do everything, man. Graphic design, vehicle grabs, stitching, embroidery, screen printing, signs, you name it, man.
Oh yeah, look at it.
360 all around. Yes, sir.
I get it. How's it looking?
What's up? What's going on?
But right there, they do the printing, all the hoodies and everything.
Yeah, you guys need any custom embroidery, screen printing, custom hats, signs. You know, your vehicle needs to get wrapped. Whatever you need, any promotional products, man, just come check us out. We're right here at 1502 South I-35 East, Lancaster, Texas, 75146, man. Come check us out.
Oh, yeah. I like that. That looks clean right there. I did that. Yes, I like that right there. I thought you needed like a lettering or something.
I don't know. I didn't know, basic bitch. And you got some overdrive.
So guys, we're dropping the date here soon. You can win this truck right here, 2021 Ford F-250 Limited, fully custom, 30x16 American Forces. Y'all check it out.
Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late. Seen them down bad, now they tryna hate. Same ones try to hit me for the rain.
Look at that. You have to read that right. See, I did it just to like, you know what I mean?
When I first saw it, bro, I was like,
yeah. You see,
like, what the
see,
fuck, bro?
so you see what he does though. He fucks with you.
Gets your attention.
It's all it is marketing, bro.
Yeah. That's a good ass strategy.
Yeah, because when I was watching off the screen, I was like, is this right?
Yeah, you get level mind, and then you're like, and then you read it down. Because I mean, leveled on. So if I put get on my level, it's like you're going down.
Yeah. And this is you going up as you're raising the raising the truck.
Up, get on my level. Yeah, there you go. That kills it right there. Do it clean right.
Te salga ahí el barcode, bro.
Yeah. Probably like 2 or 3. No, probably 3 in an hour max.
3 an hour.
But the lettering looks way much cleaner than the other one, then.
Yeah, it does.
¿Dónde vas a estar al rato, bro? Where are you gonna be later?
No, I'm going to San Antonio.
Right now?
I'm ready to hit now. 35.
Same ones try to hit me for the raise. Got a mill, now they coming with a blaze. Check the numbers, fam, I swear I'm getting paid. I'm a don just like the Perrier. It's one time when I'm looking at a face. On the low like I'm pushing up the bass. Told him come down and I'll meet him at a gate. Got a check and I bought myself a place. They get some money and they blow it on bait. I don't flex but I'm pushing all the weight. Told them all I swear I got it's what it takes. Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late.
That's to win the truck, so you can win it.
You gotta be still.
Yeah,
I love it.
Got it.
That's it.
Look, I'm gonna do this. Look out.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I grabbed it. So I can get it.
so like, hang tight. Just follow us on Instagram right here. And you'll see right there. It's Diesel Dallas. They're gonna go
Diesel
live.
Dallas.
It's gonna go live.
Oh.
So you can win it for $25.
What I gotta do to win?
Take a picture of that QR code.
It's in there. Yeah. You eat or what?
Yeah.
Minus the onion.
So think about the hat. Clean. It's a big old what?
This one's mine because it has mustard.
If they could, they probably should. I left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would. I was caught up in a situation, could have gone real bad. Yeah, I did took a
We in New Braunfels. About another 45 minutes, we're gonna be at the house we got. What else? Be sure they scan that, I guess, right? What do you say? Scan it?
Yeah.
They're like 45 minutes.
I got the keys.
Giving away.
You just follow these medallions?
Where's the keys at? I'll take it out.
It's about a $25 ticket.
Oh, okay, 25 for real.
But it's just, yeah, just follow that or link or hit that link right there.
Oh, that little
Yeah,
scan?
or you could just
Where to?
just follow it.
No quiero tantos pacientes porque mucha gente se muere sin culpa. Bien dicen que en el negocio siempre son los socios los que te traicionan. Cuando sale muy buen queso que vale alto precio y la vaca está lona. Pero soy toro encargado y se van a entregar lo que me salga ahora. Sale que no. Los verdes andaban bien bravos de más. Me tuve que salir por atrás. En la oficina me querían saludar o me querían peinar. Los jueves hay 2 por 1 en la ciudad. De aquí solo por 3 tostones se van. Perderán las botitas y haré un sky. Bien fresco así nomás.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that. I don't mind being stay home dad.
Sheesh.
Okay.
There's 3 bedrooms.
2 over here.
And not just like the renovation, even like the furniture, like everything.
Oh. You got the book bed on here? Yeah, I want it.
Oh, they don't have nothing like that, right? Man.
The food is rich as toast.
We're in San Antonio, man. San Antonio? We're fixing to go to drop off the trucks.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll make it all right.
Peace.
Where we at?
In San Antonio. We're here, Dylan.
Get some breakfast. No, I mean, yeah, take it.
Don't let Junior drive because this is what happens. Mess your wheels up.
Hey, who did that, Junior?
Junior.
Who did that?
I did. What happened was the car was coming at me 100 miles per hour, so I had to like swing to the right, and then avoid the curve. I stood at the curve, but I'll be all right. Cosmetic. Be all right.
Run out, law, better run on. Run all day till you can't.
forever, but you ain't gonna outrun me.
Fashion show, Balenciaga, the Paris way, Kim K, better get back with Ye. Twin, that's my twin.
I bet you will hold it once you get
GLE, matching bands, and my tent, 5%, fuck around, pay your rent, hey, twin, that's my twin, GLE, matching bands, and my tent.
Hey, what's it?
Of me. Thought it was distance, but haters is next to me. Talk to the spirit, you know I've been heavenly. Company definitely show your trajectory. This ain't a diss cause I say it respectfully. It's time to eat up, red like a speeder. Taking it deeper and that's how it better be. I never let the comparison get to me. I just remember the promises meant for me. I know the enemy and that he's sent for me. I keep the blood of the lemons, my centerpiece. I cannot trust in no crystals or energy. Look at the chemistry, it do not even mix chemically. Most of the tricks, they be gimmicks, they mimic the truth. It's poison and we got the remedy. There is a bomb, apply it. The fire can stand to the tallest of giants. The tyrant and all the suppliers are scheming and lying. They selling his dreams and we buying it. Show me the chicken, I'm frying it. Show me the dough and I'm prying it. Ain't never lacking it, so what I'm packing, he taking it, he magnifying it. They say you about it. Tell them that you finna make it, but they doubt flowers. Tell me what it's like to live with superpowers. I don't know, but I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it.
Josie?
Yeah.
Where we at?
Oh.
We're in downtown?
Where we at? Where we at, doing?
We're at Alta Vista Skate Shop. I don't know where we're at.
The county jail right there.
Where?
Right there.
That's where you were locked up at? Still cars. Too bad. He's on video. Look. What did you do to get locked up? Still cars. Still cars. San Antonio style. Back in how long? What year?
He's like the Godfather over here.
What year, Roland?
He started it.
What year did you start?
When I was 18.
18.
Dang. When you got caught?
Where you get caught?
There was a snitch.
I'm gonna give Junior a shot. You want me to buy you a shot, Junior?
A dick shot?
Hey, they're having dick shots.
You want some? What?
What? Hell no, nigga.
He said, not the camera's on.
Are you gonna get Junior?
I'm gonna get him a PP shot.
PP shot?
Don't mind. Don't mind. Yeah, give for the appetizer, not talk.
Okay, what?
Bro.
What?
Nothing. Hello.
Look.
Hello, guys.
Hello, yeah, I'm out.
I'm out.
Where you at to?
Where am I at? Where am I at?
Yeah, where you going?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm just trying to figure out what's next.
Hey, you go with the flow?
Oh, damn. No, here goes.
There you go. There you go.
Well, we got the...
Where we going? I don't know. Yeah?
Let's come here going Jack and... Hey, Fabio, he cannot handle Jack and Coke, bro. Who gave him... Who... Babe.
Jack and Coke, bro.
Roland,
Damn.
who gave him Jack and Coke?
Like, he was talking about his old time, like, hey,
You got the margarita?
What do you think?
Jack Coke. Look, Jack Coke.
No, he's mixing his drinks.
Huh?
Yeah. He's
Yeah,
mixing his drinks,
you fucked
bro.
up right there,
He
buddy.
got beer and Jack and Coke.
You messed up right there,
What's
buddy.
up?
Nah, I don't want
And then he put a lot of salt. He put a lot of salt on there.
Damn.
Damn.
I don't want it no more.
Huh?
He said I don't want it no more.
I didn't like it.
You like it?
No.
Yeah.
Right.
I don't know.
Down. Come on. Go. Go, Junior. Go, Junior. Go, Junior. Go, Junior. Send it, wait. Fucking. Go.
Fast forward.
That's right.
Loop it and then edit it and then reel it.
Really?
And then when I'm done.
Yeah, alright.
Okay.
I got you. He said, really?
Really?
Como tú. Dale, en
Sí, por
chica.
favor.
Y tú, cuando te acabas.
Me estoy acobardando y derrotado, y eso no es bueno para mí. Si duele que mi corazón sea mejor que no me veas sufrir. Estoy estacionado en los fracasos y hoy voy a remediar la situación.
Con ganas. Con ganas.
Amor, hay hombres como yo que se pueden morir por dignidad.
maldito amor, por tu maldito amor. El parecido que niño.
No quiero que regreses nunca, no.
Junior.
Prefiero la derrota. Tu nombre tanto pronuncié. Hoy mírame mordiéndome los labios.
Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, go. Por tu maldito amor.
Oh, wow, wow. No puedo
Y siempre me debes a las venas. Por tu maldito amor. Por tu maldito amor.
por tu maldito amor. No puedo acomodar mis sentimientos, porque el alma se me sigue consumiendo por tu maldito amor.
Por tu maldito amor.
Por tu maldito amor. Por tu bendito amor.
¿Qué le ponen? Pues la bamba, la bamba. La bamba. Vale. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, dale, dale. La bamba, la bamba.
Una parte de gracia, una boca de gracia y otra cosita, arriba y arriba.
Dale, dale.
Ay, arriba y arriba y arriba iré, porque seré, porque seré. Ay, arriba y arriba. Yo soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán.
Dale, dale, dale. Guys, sing it, go.
Ay, te pido, te pido. Ay, te pido, te pido. Ay, te pido, te pido de compasión. Que se acabe la bamba. Ay, arriba, ay, arriba. Yo no soy marinero. Por ti seré, por ti seré. Voy a estar en el agua para ponerme a
You say put your live.
Put me on all these dating apps.
Oh. Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
No se le puede llevar.
Los deres andan bien mis bravos de mar. Pa' que vea que le bota atrás.
Damn boy.
I'll be sitting in the shower or whatever. Después así nomás.
Y talento de más. La bandera que no la voy a cambiar.
Record.
Sama keren light.
I knew you couldn't resist the winazo.
Oh, he had the car.
What's good? You doing alright, bro?
Hell
yeah, dog.
It's the best hot dogs in San Antonio.
Already,
Look.
dog.
Tell me where you at. Tell me where you located at.
Downtown San Antonio, 106 Jefferson, bro. Pull up. We here at 3 a.m. 3 a.m.
Hell yeah.
This is his favorite right here, dog. His favorite.
Yeah.
So you got me giving away my other customers hot dogs.
That's how we do it in San Antonio. Look. So, try that home.
Good. Yeah. Yeah. Man, you're too close.
Let's do sing songs. That's some Chinese bullshit, nigga. I know.
What is that?
Bro, she made a couple million this year. Christmas. There's I don't care about the presents.
Hey, she makes millions every year.
The Christmas tree. I just want you for my you. More than you could ever know. My wish come true. All Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas. Christmas is you. Yeah. I want a lot for Christmas. It's just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents on the list of the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking. Never on the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you baby. You, baby. I won't ask for a fond of Christmas. I won't even ask or wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep all my kind. There'll be some cow, motherfucker. I won't make a list on Sunday.
I didn't get it, but he got it.
Ski.
Diesel. Oh, let's see. She's gonna take her shoes off right now. Then freaking this sheet's gonna come off her freaking chest. And she's gonna be ready to fucking sing. So sing this shit. Right now, he's probably dancing with a big bomb trap, and she's probably getting frisky. Right now, he's probably buying her for some fruity little drink because she can't shoot whiskey. Right now, he's probably behind her with a pool stick showing her how she's a combo. And she don't know. I dug my key into his side, his pretty little any level 4-wheel drive, and Kermac in his leather limited seats. I took his Louisville Slugger to both headlights. I fucked them up so bright and tight.
Now she's probably saying I'm drunk, and he's still thinking that he's gonna get lucky.
Oh, I am looking at it. Go.
Bathroom polo, and he don't know. I dug my key into the
Come on.
Call my name.
Let's go. We just gotta go hard. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. Yeah. Oh yeah, the beast back. Adrenaline pumping through my veins, can't relax. Original, I am not the same as these cats. I sting them if they never ever mind and they beeswax. I don't ever cap, but I'm wearing like 3 hats. Never been a rat, but I know where the cheese at. You'll never get a trophy cause they all here where we at. You better believe that. When it's all said and done, I'll still be here standing. Never took a loss and it ain't something that I'm planning. I dare you to say something, my focus is A1. Every dog has his day, it's been mine since day one. This is real grinding, I'm still climbing. While you still trying, I'm still shining. It's real blinding, and I'm getting hotter too. Talking top 2, I'm not a 2. You let the pressure bother you and I do what I gotta do. Let's go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard.
They ain't coming close to me. Flow is on atomic, I'm starting fires through poetry. The hardest out, staying loyal, no falling out. And if you step into the court, be ready, we ballin' out. Yeah, the coldest of teens, they know what we bring, don't try us. Ain't no in between, we go for these dreams in silence. Hard work, don't mistake it for magic. We been shooting in the gym, this is target and practice. Yeah.
And I'm just getting started, getting my feet wet. It's all in repetition, ain't a secret.
All facts, all black dress code. Pay me my respect, collecting every debt.
I go the hardest.